India is all set to host one of the most significant global events in telecommunications, the World Telecommunication Standardization Assembly 2024. This prestigious event will take place in New Delhi from October 15th to 24th, bringing together over 3,000 industry leaders, policymakers and tech experts from over 190 countries. Secretary for the Department of Telecommunications, Dr. Neeraj Mittal speaks exclusively to DD India's correspondent Tapas Bhattacharya.
Prime Minister is inaugurating this huge event. The first time this is happening, not just in India, but the whole Pacific region. Tell us more information about this and how this is expected to be a major game changer, not just for, again, India, but for the world.
Honorable Prime Minister has already set the vision for Atmanirbhar Bharat, self-reliance in technology. India has possibly amongst the handful of countries which has developed its own 4G stack. The Prime Minister also said that India has to be a leader in not only 4G but 5G, which we have already rolled out at the fastest pace in the world. And then all about going to the next level of innovation, which is 6G. And this WTSA will be setting all standards and setting the path forward for this revolutionary technology.
So, what is the number of people who are coming here? We believe that this is a record number that has come. Foreign dignitaries, foreign ministers and industry leaders are coming here.
So, we have roughly about 157 countries who have come here. We have large delegations from countries. We have about more than, I think, about 40 ministers who are joining us here. More than about 3,000 people who have come here. This is also paired with the India Mobile Congress, which is the great India's technology show in Asia Pacific region, which brings together policymakers, academicians, R&D, MSMEs all together. So this is a great sandwich event which we are doing for showcasing India's prowess.
You mentioned 6G. That's something that a lot of people are not talking about. Are we ready to take the step forward? And how do you see, with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision aligning with the providing that digital infrastructure, public infrastructure?
So telecom is an enabler for all technological innovations, be it telecommunication between people, maybe improving the productivity of industry, maybe creating use cases in the rural areas for health, education, digital financial inclusion, identity systems, pension systems. All of them actually highly depend on a very sophisticated telecom system. And we are fortunate that India has one of the most robust systems in the world. And 6G will bring in new capability. We intend to be pioneers and leaders in this technology. We have already developed domestic 5G solutions, and we are already working on 6G solutions. We have sanctioned a lot of projects on the emerging 6G technologies.
Much appreciated time. So that was Dr. Neeraj Mittal, Secretary Telecommunication, stating that India is on the cusp of making a big in 6G technology. With camera person Gaurav, this is Tapas Bhattacharya for GD India from Delhi.